Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we will talk about the problems and weaknesses of Nissan Patrol. The Patrol is a pretty solid workhorse and has rightly earned a reputation as a tough and reliable car. There has only ever been one recall, and that affected just over 100 cars built in 1999 and centered on the brake pedal pivot pin. Warranty Direct has no figure specific to the Patrol, but its engineers tell us that reliability is basically good up to about 60,000 miles when there's a risk that the head gasket can go and the gearbox can fail, but will take a four-figure sum to put right. Nissan played around with the Patrol range throughout its life, but there was only ever one engine at a time. It began with a 2.8-liter turbo diesel, but a 3.0-liter model replaced it in May 2000, and that's the engine we recommend. Otherwise, your most major decision is whether to choose the short wheelbase 3-door or the larger 5-door. For us, given that either model is pretty huge, the 5-door makes the most sense, especially as most versions have 7 seats, giving it some useful extra practicality. Besides, from January 2003, the smaller model was scrapped. It's also worth buying a model from after January 2002, when the suspension was revised to improve the Patrol's behavior on road. Avoid the most basic models as they lack aircon. Instead, go for the at least SE, which became the entry-level trim after basic models were dropped in May 2000. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.